Hey there kids, it's Kinda here. We're going to be creating a card game in this video, so stay tuned as we transverse. Welcome to Digital Skills for Kids, where we really want to help kids develop lifetime digital skills. I would love you to join our Facebook community where you can share technological facts and also watch out for our videos where you will learn digital skills as a kid. It will be a lot of fun. If you're on Facebook, check the link to join our community up above. And if you're on YouTube, check the link in the description below. Okay, let's begin in our game creating adventure. In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
We learn everything just with your smartphone or computer. Digital skills for kids.
Okay guys, for you to make your own card game, what you need to do is to access the Scratch application. So go to the Start menu and search for Scratch. Here I'm using the Windows operating system and I'm searching for it at the Start menu. So click here, open. We've done it. Let's start creating our own game. Now delete this card right here by clicking this delete button. Go to this tab right here. What you need to do next is to click this rectangle right here, drag it to fill this area, and you'll see this is where our background is. So let's leave this way and go to this tab, go to this icon and choose paint a sprite. So we want to paint a car for our car game. Click on this rectangle, click and drag. You see? So what you need to do is go to the field, go here to the field and change the color. So let's change a color that I like. So this is a color that I like. Let's make it yellow and leave it this way. So delete. So click this mouse icon and bring it to the center. So this right here. So once you brought it there, leave it and let's go on drawing our car. Drag it here and change the color to black. Hit the mouse icon, hit it, leave it this way. Now copy. Once it's selected, copy and paste. That way you don't have to draw another circle for the tires. So drag it right here. And the next thing you need to do is click this, hold shift on your keyboard and click this other tire and go here and click group. Now that you've grouped it, you don't have to drag each one by one. All you need to do is to drag the two of them. So hit copy as we've done before and paste and drag the other tires right here. Now to make this aligned, go here and hit flip vertical and drag it right here. So guys, once you've done it, all you need to do is click on this and backward. Click on this also and move it backward. And you see here that it looks like a car here. So move back to the code tab and change the size to about 50 and hit enter. And you see that it's more here. We have a lovely car. So the next thing you need is click the backdrop. So now let's change the size and go to fill and click on this button to make the fill transparent. Now draw the circle. Let's increase the size a little bit more. Let's increase it. Yeah. And this is what we want. Now what you need to do is click this and click this button to change the path to make it look like a railroad. This is it. Now to make the car move, go to the Events tab and drag this block when clicked. So this tells it to act when this green flag is clicked. So once you've done that, go to the Motions tab and drag this Move 10 Steps block and go to the Control tab and drag the Forever loop and click this. Now when it's clicked, you see that it changes, it moves fast. It moves 10 steps. Now you might be wondering what will happen if we add only this here. Now let's drag it here. When we click this, you see it only changes 10 steps. 10 steps, 10 steps, but it doesn't move like I would move. You see how it's moving? But if you drag it forever, this makes it move as long as the green flag as it is clicked. It moves 10 steps every second. Now that is why it moves like a car. You see how it moves? Like a car would move. Once it's moving, we want to actually make it move, make us control it. So this is what to do. Go to the Sensing tab. Scroll down, drag this. So when you drag this, click, drag this, then drag this over so that when your left arrow key is pressed, it will turn left. So what we will do is go drag this, turn 15 degrees. So let's hit the green flag. You see, when I hit my left arrow key, it's moving actually. It's moving. This is it. My car is moving. So let's stop this. Let's duplicate it. Drag this one out and right click on it, duplicate, drop it here and drag it over to here. So let's remove this and let it turn this way. And you notice that once you stop and play again, when I hit my right arrow key, oh sorry, it won't work. Let's change this to the right arrow key. Now once we click this, so this is good. So let's make it start from this place. So here's what we want to do. Drag the car and go to the motion tab, scroll down and hit this button. Don't drag it in, hit this button and you see that it turns 90 degrees. Wonderful, wonderful. So let's drag this button here and bring it here, so that once we click, anytime we click, it goes to this position right here. And I love this. I'm loving it. So let's actually make the car smaller so that it can ride in this small space. And let's put a road track here. So hit the backdrop, go to your backdrop, drag this, hit Ctrl Z and change the color. Change this to about, bring it down to about 7. Change the color to white. Yes. So let's drag this, make it like a road. And one last thing you need to do is drag this and put it here so that it doesn't kind of turns back when it starts. You can see that it's going forward and forward. See? It's going forward. So let's reduce the size to about 30. And let's hit the green flag. And this is our car. This is our game. Once you zoom it in, you see, oh, but it's moving so fast. I don't like it this way. So let's change this to about 5. And once we hit this button and let's hit the green flag, and you see it's moving so slowly. Oh, let's change the button. Let's change how it turns. It's turning too fast. So let's change it to about 6. And let's change this to 6. And as we play it, you see that it's getting better. And this is how it should be. So let's make it so that if it hits this blue or purple color, it gets back to its position. What you need to do is go to this place, the sensing tab, grab this. If so, go to the controls tab and grab the if block, bring it under. Let's scroll down, hit this button here and hit this color, and if it is touching this particular color, what will happen is that it starts right from this position. Let's see how it goes. If it's touching color, let's bring it down. Let's copy this, duplicate, and bring it here. You see how it's... So let's make it slower so that it's actually easy for us to ride. So let's make it to about 3. And you see, wow. Hope you learned something new today. So if you're mom or dad, be sure to follow our page so that you can share this video with your kids and the many other topics we will be discussing on digital skills for kids. So thanks for watching this video. Stay safe and continue learning digital skills as a kid.